Hi, I'm Jody Costello, founder of ContractorsFromHell.com, and today I'll be talking about how to find a reliable plumber. Hiring a plumber is something we all end up doing at some point, and usually when there is an emergency. But it's a good idea to find a plumber before a disaster happens to ensure peace of mind that you have a reliable and competent plumber. You've probably seen different company trucks around your neighborhood servicing people's needs, and that's a great way to find a plumber. You could also go online and type in your city and plumbers in the search engine. Either way, you'll want to visit their websites to learn more about their company. You can also type the company name in a search engine to see if there are any online reviews or complaints. You'll want to verify that he is licensed, bonded, and insured, and that he carries workman's comp if he has employees. You can easily do this online by going to your state's Contractors Board or regulatory agency. It's important that you hire only licensed plumbers, since the work they do sometimes requires obtaining permits, as well as performing work that must meet municipal code requirements. You want to get at least 3 estimates and ask questions about the proposed work. Obtain references of current or past customers and ask about the work he performed and would they recommend him. Plumbers are expensive and they usually charge by the hour, so when you have someone come out to assess the job, ask him what his best case or worst case estimate of what the entire job will cost. Finally, make sure that the contract includes his hourly rate, materials he'll be providing, a description of the work to be performed, and if there is any warranty he will provide you with.